Hare Krishna, this is Navneet and I welcome you to Vyasa Astro channel. So probably this may be one of the last videos of 2024, but I wanted to give you this gift before we enter 2025. How do you energize your gemstones on daily basis? We'll talk about gemstones, Rudrakshas, but if you wore a gemstone and that was giving you fantastic results, but suddenly after 10, 15 days, month, a year, or 15 uh, days, it's not giving you those results. The problem is that we go through various kinds of energies during our daily routine, and slowly the gemstone loses its positivity, its connection, its synchronization with our chakras. And there are ways through which you can energize your gemstone, or you can revitalize your connection between the gemstone and your chakras. So you can take it any way. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the first thing, I'll tell you certain rules about wearing a gemstone. First thing, be it a diamond or any sapphire or ruby or whatever, or even the Rudraksha, you are not supposed to wear it in the night. You should take it off before you go to bed. And there should be a very beautiful brass bowl, or a silver bowl, or a gold bowl if you can afford it, or maybe a silver gold plated bowl if you can afford it. Put your rings and Rudraksha there. And I'm not talking about your regular chains if you wear, no. If you wear it in the chain, you can take the entire chain off, and which has one or two gemstones or Rudrakshas, keep it in that bowl and then go to sleep. Because when you wear gemstones and you have a dream, those dreams are influenced by that gemstone, and they may not be the actual subconscious mind, or they may not be actual dream. We are conducting a workshop on dreams where we'll tell you that is it a dream that you've taken, or it was a visualization of your subconscious mind. We will help you to differentiate that in the coming in the February. We are doing this workshop, so if you want to enroll, you can have that link in the description and you can enroll it. But here, ladies and gentlemen, we are talking about how to energize your gemstones. So what I have done with my gemstones over the period of last 1 year, I wear diamond, and what I do is that every day in the morning, one, I don't wear it in the night. The second is every day in the morning, I take my ring. Suppose this is your Rudraksha or a ring. I keep it on my right hand and cover this with my left hand. And I sit in my home temple, or maybe here in my office, because even this is a very sacred and spiritual place where we've done a lot of mantras here. So I sit here and I chant 12 times Om Namah Shivaya. Now here's the catch. If you are not initiated, for Om Namah Shivaya, then you will only pronounce Namah Shivaya, not complete Om Namah Shivaya. So if you've been to Somanath, or you are initiated by a guru or a teacher, for this Om Namah Shivaya mantra, it requires initiation. So then you say Om Namah Shivaya. So keep it on the right hand and you have to say it 12 times minimum. You can even do one mala, but I do it only 12 times. Om Namah Shivaya. 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 Just like this, slowly. And trying to focus on this particular Rudraksha or gemstone. Then you place it on your left hand, right? Keep it the right hand over it, and you can say, because Vishnu is one who purifies everything. Vishnu is the purest form of, you know, Purushottama. He is one who sustains the bhumi. He's the one who sustains us. So here we say Vishnu mantra. So either you can say Om Vishnave Nama for 12 times, or Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. This is a mantra that cleans everything. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. So do it 12 times. And you see why this energizing of this, Rudraksha or gemstone is very, very important, because you see, we every day we go to washroom, we go to various public places. Suppose you've been to Starbucks or any coffee shop. They may have non-vegetarian food, they may have negative people. So your gemstones, they come in influence with lot of negative energy, and they are to be revitalized, they are to be re-energized on daily basis. And once in a month, especially for Rudrakshas, you can do a Rudra Abhishek for your Rudraksha. Maybe on the Chaturdashi night, Krishna Paksha, Chaturdashi Tithi. You can take your Rudraksha just like you do, Rudra Abhishek of a Shivalingam. In the same way, you can do this Rudra Abhishek of your Rudraksha. And also, when you do that Rudra Abhishek, there's this milk and Panchamrit and water which is collected somewhere, or it is going, below the yoni. Then, you pick that, or you take your ring and put it underneath from where the water is flowing. Okay. And trust me, suppose this is a Shivling, right? This is the Shivalinga, this is the yoni. So here, that water which is here, don't touch that. When this goes beyond here and it is, on the floor there, or maybe it's falling from here, it's about to touch the floor, keep your ring below that, right? And do a small, you know, uh, give a bath to your gemstone with that particular water. But for Rudrakshas, you should do a proper Rudra Abhishek, considering Rudraksh itself as a Shivlingam. So do it over the Rudraksha once a month. I do it for my Rudraksha once a month. And also I energize my gemstone. It takes hardly, a minute to energize all my gemstones. Just keeping right hand and then left hand 12 times, job done. And I promise you, ladies and gentlemen, that your gemstones would start giving you results. Only that because of our negative influence, the way we go to different places, we meet a lot of people, that negativity is being there. So gemstones absorb our negativity, but also the negativity of the people around. So it is very, very important to energize them. So I hope this video will help you in 2024 and many, many years to come. And I'll keep giving you videos. Stay blessed. Wish you a very, very happy new year. बहुत बहुत आशीर्वाद आपको. हरे कृष्णा. बहुत बहुत प्यार.